Sasapakin ko na si Mitchell.
After talking shit about me, bitch, fuck you.
Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit walang Pride Mark. Bo!
Reklamo ka ni.
Yes, hello and welcome back to another episode of Beck and Man Backstage Access. We are here with the episode 3 viewing party. First of all, I just want to say thank you sa lahat ng mga nanood ng previous 2 episodes. And syempre, wag nyo na rin kalimutan mag-like, mag-comment, kahit pambabash, charot, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to Wow Presents Plus para manood ng inyong episodes ng Drag Race Philippines Legion Royale. Okay, let's go!
Okay na, pwede na tumaan?
Okay, go! Go!
Pagiging asipet sa nag-iisang outfit
na wala masyadong dahon.
Pag-ina mo.
Pero maraming beats. Puto.
Kagaganto na lang ako mamaya. Yes po. Kumakalat ang balita. Di umano na si Arizona Brandy.
Ano yung entry?
Wala akong maisip eh. Bottom 2! Char!
Hello everyone, this is Keanu with a K from Drag Race Philippines Season 3 and from Drag Race Legion Royale. Hataw sa sale this August 27 to 31. Alam niyo kung bakit? Umaangat pa. Free shipping. Ano ba? Ang bagal talaga. Alam mo bakit?
Alam mo bakit?
Gaganda ako talaga. Ano kaya? Ano kapatid?
Okay talaga, palpak talaga yun.
Sabi na yun.
IG. And free foot bed when you rampa in the store. Sa Braga is, ano, saan?
Sige.
Sa
Block 319. Finally!
Tangina nyo, laro kayo.
Tiana, you are safe.
Ano natin, TikTok natin. Pinapanood niya yung... Alam mo yung steps? It's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours, I can teach you. But I have to try my next trick, then to the life that I am.
Alam nila na nag-joke lang kasi
Hindi ba?
Sorry, ulit.
bakit naman siya tapos?
Ay, sabi nito, mahirap sa bulutan to, baby.
Doon natin sa bakal. Sa bakal agad.
Handle. Hila.
Kasi ang nostalgic ko.
Saka alam mo, kaya na at this point, na-earn mo ng maganda-gandahan lang.
Oo, parang gusto ko lang. Bakit kasi pag puro sayo na lang ako din?
Yung mga buto mo,
Girl, baka sabihin nila, takin na puro sayo. Ano bang kaya mo?
40 ayoko.
Huwag naman sana, sister.
Hindi naman mamatay. Pero hindi ka na ito kabaklaan at chat.
Gusto ko na maghanap ng totoong trabaho. Hala! Grabe naman yung pag-discredit sa mga drag queens baga. Gusto ko na maging ano,
Siguro mga 50.
producer, ganon.
Hindi, 38 pa lang ako. Parang kailangan mo na kasi kompleto.
Sa bar. Ano na ako, maging
Kompleto na ako. May business na ako. May bahay na ako.
Tama.
Diba? Pwede na ako mag-sale.
Hello, ako po ang isa sa mga hosts nyo tonight. Ako po si Binti. Hello, my name is Baus Rufo. I am half of Beck and Man. But are we ready for the design challenge tonight? Before that, sino dito ang at least 20 times nang pinakinggan ng Asian A? Yeah. Sino favorite verse mo sa Asian A?
Arizona.
Antayin mo. Fake fan. Joke lang, okay lang. Sino ba, like, ano ba yung mga favorite verses natin? Sino ba favorite na verse nyo?
Yes!
Hindi niya, sige nga, go!
Bogam-bogam po naman. Perfection ay si Venus. Get your proper watch Miss Lair, cutie, never gonna fit away. The experience of fun, innovation vocals, and
Kay Manuel Miranda. Diba? How about dito? Anong bet yung verse here? Natakot sila. Papansin ka masyado mong kilala song, but it's a grower more than a shower, right? I think for me, parang, nung una parang okay naman, pero now, parang siya na yung pinapakinggan ko before going to bed, upon waking up. Yun, diba? We start the show with the other half of Becky and Pod. You might have seen her last season sa Drag Race Philippines Season 3. As we open the show, please give it up for the one and only Fake Fan. It's okay, I like the shirt. Okay, again, let's give it up for Miss Chanel! Proving to us na wala siyang kaarte-arte kahit first date nyo pa lang. Yes, palakpakan natin. Kamusta na po na makakuha ng lap dances? It's so easy. I love it.
Kaya ganyan talaga pag first date, best foot forward and get to know the person as best as you can.
Wow.
Kanya-kanya interpretation na yan, ha?
Correct. Sabi nga nila, pok-pok rights matter. Okay, yes.
Pero hindi lang ako ang maganda sa inyong harapan, ngunit meron din yung tayong tatlong binibini. Ito ang ating Crystal Queen sa ating shirt. Ikaw na ba? Sige, mag-aapat na magandang binibini. Ayan, meron nandito po si Minty Fresh, Marina Summers, Eva the Queen, at si Genevieve Gozum. Napanood nyo ba yun? Yung episode nyo yun? Parang blockbuster yata yun, sis eh.
Alam mo naman tayo, tuloy-tuloy ang cloud chasing, di ba? Pero yes, if you supported the pod, and guys, alam mo ba ginugol yung Genevieve Gozum now sa Google, yung mukha ko yung lalabas. So, nang-uplift din ako ng fashion brand, yes. No?
Of course, in the spirit of uplifting the local community, ayaw na tumigil eh. Siyempre, nandito ang ating local girl for tonight, isang kaabang-abang, bigatin at pangmalakasan. Please welcome to the stage, Wayne Protein!
Grabe! Diyos ko, talagang pinagmayabang ng bagets, so wala akong backfill. Kita nyo to? Kita nyo to? Very good. Wala pa kayo naman si Wayne Protein.
Parang masyadong kung pinamalag ito.
Correct. Nakikita ko, parang gusto ko rin gumanon kasi hindi ko makaya.
Pili mo na 2 sessions sa Cairo, kaya mo yan.
Oh my God, grabe. Grabe ang energy. Palakpakan nyo naman si Wayne Protein, guys. Sige.
Pero kung sa lahat, pakilala mo naman ang iyong sarili.
Hi everyone!
Ang laki ng performance sa liit ng boses.
Hello po, I am Wayne Protein. Ayun, you can follow me on my Instagram at Wayne_Protein. Pwede yung Twitter. Tapos, ayun. Yes, ayun.
Saan ka nila pwedeng panood? Are you part of any houses?
Ayun, you can watch me po at Hosik Publishon every Friday. Basta yun every Friday sa Hosik. Puntahan nyo lang kung gusto nyo kumakita. Kung ayaw nyo, forward nyo lang.
Palakpakan natin, Wayne Protein.
Kaya tawag po dun sa mga nasa taas. Yes, ang ating Tipid Nation. Hello sa inyo. Wais, mga wais.
Ang ating mga sulit sweldo meals.
Correct!
Yes, diba? Sa the top captive market of Jollibee afford delicious. Diba?
May mga nakikita ko dito sa harem. Ang ganda ng mga t-shirt. Meron dito, I love Kiana. Of course, nandito rin ang ating Iconic shirt. Pero sino to?
Sino yan? Meron siyang Team Maxi shirt.
Oh my God! Speaking of Maxi!
So, closing our first set of performances, she just finished a 2-episode judging stint sa Station Royale.
Pwede ba akong makarinig galing sa mga Maxiana fans dyan? Ang isa nito yung poster ako gumawa, no?
So, eto na. Talagang bibiyayaan tayo. Salamat, Panginoon, sa pagkakataon na may experience tayo mag-perform siya. Please welcome your current crown queen, it's
Maxi!
pinapanood natin. Are you guys excited? Parang hindi naman masyado, buka ka ng shit oh. Lakasan nyo nga, are you guys excited?
Or more parang kahapon lang, ikaw yung nakakatanggap ng critiques.
Ano to? Sabi na
Sabi niya, hindi kami binibigay sa akin.
kailangan na yan, mukha ba kong rated?
Parang kahapon lang, ikaw nakakatanggap ng critiques sa season natin. How does it feel this time around? Ikaw naman ang tagabigay.
Deserve! Critics kayo ng critics sa akin ng season ko ha, oh. Gago! Hindi, sobrang honor ko, syempre. Syempre, ang hirap din i-judge yung mga sisters natin kasi napakahusay nila. Pero syempre, ginagawa ko na yung trabaho ko, kaya passion kayo.
So syempre, isipin mo, kinritik mo parehong si Kiana at si Britney. So, paano hindi ba masakit gawin yun? Dahil tawa sila nandun.
Kiana, I'm just doing my job. This is for our future. Isa naman sa inyo mag-ibenta ba? Sa inyo naman yung lahat kayo dyan, diba?
Diyos ko.
So, nakadepende kung kanino yung corona, siya rin bibigyan ng puso mo.
Ay, hindi naman ganun, chef.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman tungkol sa Quran pagmamahal.
So, tungkol saan ang pagmamahalan?
Tipid ko na lang, nakaka-French break ako ng video. Bakit naman ang pang-service naman kami? Magsihalo ba ito?
No, but going back to you, mula ng season natin, sobrang dami mo nang nakuha success and opportunities. May billboard lang naman siya sa EDSA. Marami lang naman siya every week sa TV, sa local TV by the way. Hindi kailangan ng subscription.
Correct. Also, grabe yung sa Vibe. Okay, dahil siya drag artist na nandun. Pero lahat sila nilalampasan mo in terms of energy. So, tuloy-tuloy palakpakan natin ang ating current reigning queen.
Thank you ba, Sir Mix. Siyempre, thank you so much sa production na to. Kasi kahit hindi ko na season, in-invite ko pa rin ako mag-watch. Of course. Makapag-perform ulit sa Opoteka. So honored. Sobrang kanina sa actually nung habang nag-makeup ako, sabi ko, habang nag-makeup ako sabi ko, parang bumabalik yung feeling na bumabalik yung feeling ng season ko. Ganito pala yung feeling kapag nangyari na na-experience mo na. I love you to! Alam mo dyan, ay na mo!
But also, anong feeling na ang Rainbow 2 taon? Kasi walang bagong regular season, di ba?
Sobrang saya! Sobrang saya, pero ano ba? Hindi mo ito matatapos. Hindi kasi syempre, gusto ko naman din na-experience ng ibang queen kung gaano kaganda ang buhay after Drag Race, after winning Drag Race. Syempre, hindi lang naman sa akin din yung opportunities. Ikaw, meron kang work, dami-dami rin ng ating achievement, di ba? Nagkaroon tayo ng cream set, dati wala naman tayo masyadong cream set, di ba? So, lumalaki, lumalawak yung ano natin, yung sakop na yung nasasakupan ng Drag Race ngayon, na kahit pati mga straight, nakakakilala na ng mga drag queen. Ang inatawag sa akin sa kanto namin, Maxi, na hindi na jebot, eh. Baka nagsaside ka, tsaka yung mga Pisonet boys. Oo, Maxi lang tawag sa akin, kaya sobrang happy ko na hindi na lang tayo ang nakakaalam ng drag. Kaya pagputihin natin, lagi lang tayo sana mabait. Diyos ko, huwag niyong lakihan yung ulo niyo. Kasi wala rin yung mapupuntaan yan. At the end of the day, tayo lang din naman nag-deliver ng community. Para mapakilala natin ang galing ng mga Pilipino.
Hindi kaya kayo rin, kung na-enjoy niyo yung show, na-enjoy niyo ang drag, ipakalat niyo, pag-usapan niyo, share niyo sa katabi niyo sa trabaho, katabi niyo sa classroom, pag-usapan niyo para lahat sila na-enjoy kung anong drag.
Yes! Palabangan natin, Maxi, everyone!
Thank you so much. Excited na ako sa episode 3.
Huwagin na natin! Sige, andito na tayo. Sino ang una natin na iaalay?
Paunahin na natin, huwag na natin tigilan, iharanda ka na ba? Talaga namang binigay pa rin talaga.
Hindi pa rin talaga. Okay, up next, from yung nagmamahal sa'yo to yung sanang away sa'yo sa judging panel at sinagot ka. Okay, ito si Bernie!
Birthday, sa'yo ang inuwi, sa'yo ang pulay.
Bernie naman!
Iba talaga yung hindi kami pinakaano.
Ano naman?
Kaya nakababakan na tumukto.
Palabangan natin, Bernie! Of course, nandito currently ang nangunguna sa mga leaderboard sa Channel Frontrunner before episode 3. Tingnan natin if that will still be the case tonight. Please welcome Arizona Brandy. Nag-perform pa siya. Sorry, question lang. Yung bang bangs mo ay detachable? Ayan, before we move on to the episode, very quick segment. So, malakpakan naman natin ang cream silk ng ating sponsor. Yes. Tuloy ang suporta nila sa mga queens. So, meron tayong hairography contest right now. So, meron tayong wigs here. Okay, tapos mag-volunteer lang ang mga tao dyan to put on a wig and then mag-play kami ng music. Tapos kailangan magmaganda lang kayo. Okay, tapos pipili sila ng winner. Pipili si Arizona at si
Ating apat
Bernie.
na murado.
Sino ang mga game dito sa mabilisang hairography challenge for 1,000 pesos? Sino? Patalang natin siya ng ilaw and then mag-play kami ng music. Tapos, based sa kung ano ang music, just work that hair. Okay? Give us big wig energy. Okay, let's play the song in 3, 2, 1. 1 and dalawa, 2 and 3 sa taas. Mabilis sino ang choice 1? Bakit?
First of all, I hate it. I hate it because it's not me, kasi they are serving so well. Come on. I love the energy. Patagalin natin to talaga. As in talagang pagkasuot ng wig, talagang nakita natin yung big wig energy, sabi nga ng Cream Silk. So ayun, pero for me, meron talaga isang umangat na very, very light. It's very queen behavior talaga eh, no? Hindi mo yung tinuro sa akin. Ayun, so I give it to contestant number 2.
Actually, choice ko rin si contestant number 2. Feeling ko makakahaki na talaga siya. Ano yun?
Charot na, maganda. Palapakan naman sila tatlo, guys. It takes courage with a cake to do that. Anyway, my winner for tonight ay walang iba kundi ang volunteer sa kanyang sarili, and that is doing the most. That is queen behavior. That is a big hair energy, and panalo sa akin si number 4. Ha? Number 4? Number 2 contestant number 4. Number 2 pala. Papansin ka ang inaman.
So now, are we ready for episode 3?
I felt like Ivory has more conviction, really wanted to stay and learn. However, in this competition, we're not here to learn. I know you're gonna do amazing, so please do.
Thank you, and I'll remember this.
My game plan is to focus because I almost had it. I'm here to prove.
Going to play Cap Boobay. Secret out.
Cap
Boobay.
Cap
Boobay. Boobay.
I'm here to call back.
Seriously, when they...
Wala na.
Hindi ka ba ako pagawa ng kep-kep or bubay sa 20,000 pesos? Pero pwede na. Still grateful. Thank you.
Friends, for this week's Max and
Like, really?
I hope you do that very well without my help. I didn't get to choose any of the colors.
Important is see, I'm still sketching.
Oh, my mini challenge. I'll use like a big book, right?
Oh, Diba? Sa'yo naman, Arizona. Gusto ko i-honor yung...
So there's a graduation.
Yes. Salutatorian ng mga fuck. Gusto ko i-respect yung pag-alam. Parang pinupit eh. Pero parang gusto ko makita nila to, tapos parang, oh my God, gusto ko maiyak sila.
Ginupit. So, nilalagay ko siya dito. Tapos pwede siya na i-accessorize ng shell na nasa gitna.
Alright, thank you very much, Queens. On the day of the cast announcement, it was kind of like the best and the worst day of my life. Because like, on one hand, you get announced for Drag Race, and you know you're so happy, and like you know everyone's celebrating you. On the other hand, my mum had died just like 2 weeks before the cast announcement, and she was like really excited to watch the season. And the announcement date was the same day as a funeral that I was running, so I was speaking at my mother's funeral, running it at the same time as my phone blowing up. And so
I felt sad for her, but I know her mom is smiling at her. I think her mom would be really proud.
some tough, but life goes on. But I know it sucks, so I'm trying not to do that.
Holy moly, categories! Chewy Cacao, starting with Arizona Brandy. For this runway, I'm wearing this beautiful gown. Kiana! So for this runway, I am the ray of sunshine after the rain. So as you can see, my details on my outfit, there's some like droplets of like rain, you know, and I think that because yellow is saying hello. She's walking on sunshine. Breathing.
Ready or not, here she comes. I am coming down the runway as the queen of the cacao forest. I am blooming but also bleeding in red.
Ivory glaze. Tonight on the runway, I am telling you I'm doing the best. It's Doc, it's Elvin. Venus Deluxe.
Intuition. Nagbibigay ng sculpture ng face para makikita yung talent with sculpting. And of course, nagbibigay ko ng hair para makikita ko yung symphony sa pag-hairstyle ko. Kaya parang, this is my story as a drag queen. Back!
Super doll.
I like the teal. Teal is always
I am the goddess Mother Nature, the mother of all, that gives you the plentiful fruits of the cacao well.
What's a teal?
Bernie. Oh, barbecue. I call your name, please step forward. Bernie. Queens, you are safe. Please go and tuck in the workroom.
Thank you, Mobile.
The rest of
Also, your fabric choice, I think it was the wrong fabric choice. It didn't really complement the treatment of the leaves. However, I think you did a really good job with what you started with. It just could have gone more. Can you turn around as well? It seems messy in the back. It seems messy in the back, and that's what I noticed.
you took no blue.
Appreciate it much as well.
Super inclusive. Venus Deluxe.
You must not be hungry, because bitch, you ate. You fucking ate. When you turn the corner,
Suki doll. You are safe. Venus Deluxe. Kitty Space. Congratulations, you are the Cactus Legends of the people. That means Arizona Brandy and Ivory Glaze were both in the box. Venus Deluxe and Kitty Space, each of you needs to decide which of the bottom two you will eliminate if you win the lip sync. So why don't you please deliberate in the
We want y'all to guess who's in the top and who's in the bottom. I'm guessing all of you are gonna go home. And I'm in the bottom too. Oh, so yeah.
Oh yes, yes.
With who? With
Me.
I struck up. Really? Oh, you're not gonna shock. Because I thought Arizona Brandy got my spot at the top. And you were the top. Yeah. Wow! What's at the top two?
Suki will be top 2 with speed.
you did great, but celebrate regardless. But just in case you watch it back and I'm telling you like, what? We talked so much shit about you? Yeah, we did.
How do you feel, Arizona?
I don't know how to feel. Actually,
We thought you were safe.
I'm so embarrassed. Listen,
at the top, but then I fell again here. But I see like my Filipino, I'm sorry, I don't wanna fucking cry, I don't wanna look like I'm dizzy, I'm begging, I don't wanna look that, I'm sorry.
I thought we're really doing good. Like everybody's on top or safe. Like no Filipino queen has been in the bottom, and it's so embarrassing to be the first one there.
I prepared myself for the design challenge. I did bad on my season. I did really bad. And all I did was to lip sync for my life. But like, if you all watch my season, I was struggling every time. But I know I could save myself lip syncing for my life. But it's in your hands.
Naano ko tao dito, parang naano ko sa nararamdaman ni Ari kasi yung pagka-bottom ni Ari, bottom ko na din.
I wanna stay because this is not how I am. This is still me. I love this outfit. I really get excelled in other challenges. I'm not just like I hope I'm lucky next week. I'm not. No, I know I'm gonna excel in the following weeks.
Mahirap na kalaban. Pero, lagot ako sa mga fans.
Actually, hindi ko tayo hindi sa kanya mapunta yung win na yan.
Please, I've made my decision. Venus with us. Your winner for the congratulations, you've earned a cashback of 80,000 pesos plus a one-year supply of our products courtesy of our chocolate. We also get a new bag.
You know, Pao, this decision is actually so hard for me because I don't know who to eliminate. My biggest threat in the competition or my biggest crush. But I have to stay with my belief, and the queen that I have chosen to get the chop, the karate chop rather, is, I'm sorry, sister, Ivory.
Ivory Glaze. As it is written, so it shall be done. The stunner from down under will always be a Slasian sensation. I came...
Did you enjoy that episode?
Fairness, pasabog yun ah.
Alright, so nandito tayo sa ating Q&A. Palapakan mo natin si Bernie. Do you like Bernie's design? Thank you. Nakakita talaga sa episodes na sobrang close yung dalawa ni Arizona na parang magkatigit ang puso nyo. Pero sige, do share with us more details ba dun sa
Actually, kasi kaya sinabi ko na parang pag natanggal si Ari, parang natanggal na rin ako. Kasi ba, tinutulong namin, parang dalawa kami kumuha ng damit. Parang pag nagano si Ari, pag yun nag-fail siya, fail na rin ako. Parang pasalanan. Yung akin na hindi ko natapos, di ba? Pero hindi ko na inaano yun kahit di natapos yung ang damit ko. Basta yung sa kanya inaalala ko. Kasi ayoko mangyari nung yung season namin na lagi na lang siya inaano about sa design challenge. Sabi ko hindi pwedeng mangyari yun ulit. So, ayun, nangyari ulit. Tulungan ka na, tinapos mo yung pit, tinapos natin yung dahon, wala nangyari, hindi nilabitan. Well, anyway, ganyan ko siya kamahal, lahat binigay ko sa kanya.
Arizona Brandy is here.
Una sa lahat, sino nag-agree na hindi dapat siya na nasa bottom?
Yung judge na yung nagsabi,
Yes. Parang dapat competition.
So I think very clear kanina why you were feeling that way. Na parang you did not want to be yung unang Pinay na uuwi. Pero...
Not just that, it's yung uga nung nasa top siya tapos...
Correct. Pero yes, share with us more of how that felt. I-relieve pa natin yung trauma ko.
Ano, iyak ka kasi mag-trending yun.
Hindi, as in like, nahiya ako. Hindi ako makatingin sa mata nila Kiana, nila Bernie. Kasi, nakakabiyo. Ano yung feeling ko noon, parang disappointment ako kasi ako yung unang bottom. Wala na, tapos na. Hindi nila mababaw. Pero ngayon, happy pa rin ako na I get to stay and I get to slay another gusto ko lang patunayan din sa sarili ko na na if I fail, I stand up.
Alam naman ng mga tao na sobrang close ni Ivory. Habang siya sa Manila, we have felt the closeness that the two of you have. Pero during that time, I'm sure di na pinakita, nagkaroon ba kayo ng moment na nag-usap kayong dalawa na, shit, sister, it's gonna be one of us tonight?
Hindi. Hindi. Pero nag-usap kami parang, hindi naman yung usap na parang whatever happens, parang proud ako sa nagawa ko. Kasi nung time na yun, feeling ko talaga, iba talaga. As in, akala ko mamamatay na ako talaga. Tapos siya rin, pero parang nagkaroon kami ng ina-assure namin yung isa't isa na we did really good. Excited ba kayo? Parang hindi kayo... Parang lahat kayo nakaganyan sa akin.
So ano ang preview ngayon for the next episode?
Ano naman? Equilibrium. Wala lang, nabasa ko lang yun kanina habang nanonood naman. Ay habang nagbabasa ng Wikipedia. Equilibrium.
Alright, so... Okay, we will find out next week kung ano ang itsura ng equilibrium na yun. But for now, palakpakan natin si Arizona Variety.
Yung personal ranking mo, or personal ranking mo,
deserve yung kay Vivian. Yes! Pero deserve din mag-top ni Brigitte. Yes! Nakagaling ang silawin ng gandang ni Brigitte. Hindi lang talaga deserve din ni Arizona maboto. I feel like hindi niya talaga deserve. May mga taga-ibang bansa na mas deserve niya. Tapos judge kasi yung feeling ko dapat bottom si something wrong.
Wala na siya doon, wala na siya doon.
Kasi agent na lang ulit. Feeling ko dapat si agent bottom pa ulit si agent. Kasi iyak-iyak na lang ulit ako. Ganun talaga sa competition season. Kung hindi ko ng drag race yan, bakit kasi magiging sa'yo challenge? Hindi ba pwedeng pagandahan na lang ng mukha? Pero deserve the Vivians. Congratulations, sister. I'm so proud of you. Dalawa na rubat niya! Usabong, ikaw naman.
Thank you! Thank you guys for watching!
Ang saya nung episode kasi talagang lahat may redemption. Talaga, that is what All Stars is all about. Redeeming yourself on your lowest form. And with that being said, let's all evaporate.
So nung kayo lang ng mga safe girls sa Antok, anong dynamics doon? Counting scoop? Lang masaya kami.
Nagkukulitan kami ni Yuwang. Sabi ko, sis, ba nandito ka? Why are you here right now? I think you're gonna be there, critic by them. You know what I'm saying? Kaya hindi siya nasali. Pero nag-uululan na talaga kami ni Yuwang. Kaya sobrang sayang. Masaya ako ngayon dahil... Pero ang saya-saya lang kasi super enjoy as in the episode. And get ready for next week.
Sige, ano ang keyword mo for next week?
Ang keyword ko next week is wow. You know.
Yes, palakpakan naman natin Maxi and Kiana. Thank you so much. And that's it for Maxi. Thank you again for gracing us sa aming viewing party.
I just want to give a moment. There is an entity at the back of the room.
Ilawan mo siya.
My attention.
Pasabog.
Would you like to, show everyone your look tonight?
Yes, come here.
It takes a lot of work to do all of that.
Damn! Tell us your name.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Cherry.
What brings you here tonight?
I just came to the Philippines to watch Drag Race.
I love that. Thank you for coming to our show in a look. It takes a lot of work to put this on, so show everyone the work that you put.
Yes.
That's my queen.
Pasabog. Hey, palakpakan natin. Hey, kicking off our second set of performances, please welcome Bernie. Next, ang ating performer, pinakaba niya tayong lahat tonight.
Kung nagdi-disagree kayo sa kanyang placement, palakpakan natin si Arizona Brandy!
Palakpakan natin Arizona Brandy. Okay, you know how we do it here. It's time to collect your coin.
Parang napakahirap pala ng All-Stars kung ganyan, nabobotong pala.
Puri, nakakaloma. Pasabog. Hindi deserve mo. Diba?
Ayan. At dahil kay Arizona Brandy, lahat po tayo ay makakapag-uwi ng gold confetti.
Correct. Ano ang feeling nakita ang looks in person? UR, STUV. Tawa ka na.
Kamedyante ka, no?
UR.
Alam mo, bagay ka ba stand up?
Correct. Napalamakan na si Arizona Brandy.
Tingnan nyo na, tingnan nyo na.
Tingnan nyo. Handa na ba tayo for our closer tonight? Handa na ba tayo sa ating final performer?
She may have been safe tonight, but she is still that girl. Please welcome Rihanna!
Grabe yung sinama niya sa performance. Oh my God, ba't ba niya si Kiara?
Burlesque pa na to. Burlesque pa na siya. Okay! Ayan, dahil dyan, mangolekta ka ng tips pambili ng bagong breastplate.
Correct! Very quick cast photo. Let's give it up for the Queens of Station Royale. We have Kiara, Bernie, Arizona, Wayne Brooklyn is here, and of course, Big Chanel and Genevieve Bozo. Alright, that is it for episode 3. Thank you so much, everybody! Bye!
Thank you! See you next week!
And that was it for episode 3 of the viewing parties. I hope these videos convince you to come to our show soon. Bumiyahe kayo kung kailangan nyo. But that's it. That's a wrap.